In this video, we'll show you how to create a festive Christmas video for Instagram, Reels, and TikTok. The holiday season is here, and Christmas-themed videos are filling up TikTok and Instagram Reels. It's the perfect way to celebrate and share your favorite holiday moments with loved ones. Here's how you can create your own magical video for free. Start by ensuring you have both the TikTok and CapCut apps installed on your device. Open TikTok and head to the search bar. Type in Christmas template to find a variety of videos featuring holiday-themed designs. Choose a video that fits your style and tap the CapCut. Try this template button, then tap Use Template in CapCut. CapCut will load the template and show you a preview of how it looks. Tap Use Template again, and your photo gallery will open. Select your most festive photos and videos, whether it's decorating the tree, cozying up by the fireplace, or capturing the magic of Christmas lights. Once you've chosen your holiday moments, tap Preview to see your video come to life. If you're happy with it, tap Export and decide whether to save it to your gallery or share it directly to TikTok. And there you have it. You've created a heartwarming Christmas video to spread joy this season. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out our channel for more festive tips and tricks. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.